Steelsmith fixturing clamps, an innovative solution designed to enhance production efficiency while tackling even the most challenging work-holding applications. In modern manufacturing, reducing setup time and improving workflow are critical. These clamps provide a straightforward yet highly effective way for customers to streamline their processes. Thanks to their quick-acting mechanisms, these clamps significantly reduce setup time while maintaining strong, reliable holding performance. One of the key advantages of Steelsmith fixturing clamps is their balanced equilateral clamping design. This feature allows them to securely hold two workpieces simultaneously, ensuring stability and precision throughout machining operations. These clamps are also extremely versatile. They can accommodate a wide range of part shapes and sizes, from delicate components that require careful handling to heavy workpieces that demand high clamping force. Whether the parts are flat or cylindrical, the clamps deliver dependable performance across many applications. Another major benefit is their low-profile, space-efficient design. By maximizing fixture area, these clamps improve tool access to the workpiece, which is essential for complex machining tasks. Steelsmith clamps also use a fast, high-force, cam-driven clamping mechanism. With minimal bite depth, they prevent part lift, ensuring accuracy and protecting the integrity of the workpiece. Additionally, accessories are available in extended lengths, allowing scalable fixturing layouts for larger or more complex setups. They are ideal for machining operations such as milling, drilling, tapping, grinding, and more. They are widely applied in jigs and fixtures, especially in industries like aerospace, automotive, medical, and other general manufacturing. They are also highly effective in EDM applications, securely holding stainless steel and precision parts to meet strict quality demands. Beyond machining, they support assembly operations by providing repeatable positioning and stable holding. Steelsmith fixturing clamps offer a powerful combination of speed, versatility, and precision.